This is a baby that just hatched today. These are Spanish Timbrado Canaries. Okay, you can see that one right there is still trying to get out of the shell. Right there. I'll turn it around, see if you can see the shell. But it just came out of the shell right now. So there are a total of 5 little baby chicks in there. And those are the parents. Dad is on top, mom is on the left. And oh my god, do these sing a lot. So there it is right there. On the lower left side. This just coming out of the eggshell right now. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them back in so mom and dad can feed them for the very first time.